going to come between us. Except that.
This reminds me of our first Thor goggle hunt on the moon of Partha.
You gave me the beast's spine as a trophy.
You can have this entire planet as a trophy after these two are annihilated.
You see how I can't live without you? Yeah, at the very least, we're talking major bone breakage.
Okay, look. Remember at graduation when I started to say I had a confession?
That was you? I thought that was Rieger.
It was me. Anyway, you don't think I'm scared too?
Scared?
Of course she is. This ends now.
Not yet! But very, very soon. Dr. D?
Prepare to taste defeat! And boy, is it salty!
These Earthers are inferior pests, but they are amusing.
Attack! It is a cheerful attack.
Oh, blue imposter. What were you thinking?
Take them down, boys! Or is it girls? Oh, I never could get the whole pistol and stamen thing.
Lorwardian technology destroyed by flowers.
This insult will not stand!
For Lorwardia!
Forget it.
Okay, this was real, but I've got to graduate before some other disaster strikes.
And stick us with cleanup duty?
Please and thank you.
Yeah, no way. Ugh, just go.
Did you think that the most fierce warrior in the galaxy could be defeated by flowers and children?
I'm not a child. Check your calendar. It's graduation day.
Summon the mystical monkey power.
Sensei?
Come on, Manga. We will take this one as a trophy. She will look handsome mounted beside your Thor goggles spine.
You are the monkey master.
I am?
This is your destiny. You are ready.
I am. Hey, Warhawk!
His monkey power is strong. Booyah.